KU to help like enhancing our research. So as someone who's been interacting with other professors abroad already, I feel like this is a really good opportunity, not only for me, but also for my student and researcher to like not only enhance their research, but also their life experience. So like when I heard about the program, like I asked my student if they like to go abroad, and they're pretty excited by the opportunity. So we applied for it, and we are fortunate enough to be one of the recipients of that year. Dr. Natthawadi, she has a background in phytochemistry and bioactivity research, which during her PhD program, she have a chance to do the research exchange at this particular university and also University of Vienna in Austria. So she already have some connection with the research group there. So when she come to work with me, I have very little background in chemistry, and she brought this perspective to our lab. And since our lab support mostly molecular research, and we want to sort of complement the current research program with more rigorous chemistry experiment, so we decided to contact Professor Rosnell at BOKU in Vienna, who's already working with some of our collaborators in Vienna. So and he readily accept our invitation. So Dr. Natthawadi get to spend 6 months there.
I was working on the isolation and structure elucidation of secondary metabolite of the Thai medicinal plant Merua siamensis with Dr. Marcus Barker and Professor Thomas Rosenau. It was very nice to be there during the winter season. I have learned many things from different cultures, more about technique in chemistry in a modern laboratory setting, as well as to learn systematic working different surroundings. And also I have got new experience from other colleagues, other different work, and I have get more new network of people for future collaboration. Moreover, I will also share the knowledge that I have got from KU Reinventing with my colleague and our research team at KU.
They can offer abroad, but also the life experience, because once you're in a different environment and different culture, like see how other people working in the lab, it actually help enhance the students and researcher alike in terms of like their enthusiasm with science and also their professionalism in the field. And so this funding really helped broaden our student experience, also helped me gain more energy and momentum in my own research.
After I came back to Thailand, we are continue writing manuscript. It is another skill that we have to improve.
So like one of the output that we promised for this project is to have one international journal published paper, and this is such a short time, like we don't have a lot of like preparation to do that. So having the professor from Austria really helped us like framing the right way to do. So having the professor like Professor Rosnau and Professor Joe to help us in the process really helpful in figuring out that output much quicker than we can do on our own.
Finally, I appreciate participating in the KU Reinventing program, and thank you my supervisor, professor, and Kasetsart University, which give me more knowledge, gain new experience, and create future collaboration. It would be great if KU has the KU Reinventing program every year. Thank you.
So with that, I'd like to thank this funding that actually provided from Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, and the funding also come from Kasetsart University Research and Development Institute for this opportunity, for not only for my student but also myself to keep my research going despite like obstacle we have right here. So this funding really helped us get through.